Hey, I'm Ray and welcome to my kitchen. I have this beautiful salad here that's made with spring greens and some romaine, and I added cilantro and I added zucchini and peppers and tomatoes and red onion, radishes. So good, so much nutrition in that bowl. But what to put on it, right? We want it to taste yummy. So today we are going to make a delicious Dijon dressing, and you're going to see how easy this comes together. So let's just dive in and get started. So we are going to start out with about a half a cup of lemon juice, and it ended up being 5 very small lemons. Lemons are tough because you never know exactly how much juice you're going to get out of them. So I used 5, but a half a cup is what you want to get. We're going to do 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar, and the apple cider vinegar is the one we've talked about in other videos. It's the cider vinegar that has the mother in it. So when you do get your cider vinegar into the dressing, you want to shake it up really good so you get that sediment, that mother, which is where all the delicious probiotics are. You want that circulating in your cider vinegar and then subsequently in your dressing, okay? And then we are going to add the Dijon, which is just an organic Dijon mustard. And I will grab the one that I use just so you can see the one that I use. This is one that I get at Natural Grocers. It's just a regular old everyday organic Dijon. Then we're going to put in some tahini. Now I want to talk about the tahini because what is tahini? So tahini is sesame seed butter. Now you'll notice this one is kind of runny, and usually tahini is kind of solid. So when you're making salad dressing, it's really nice if you can kind of find a runny one. And so I found this organic brand that is squeezable. So it shakes. It's like kind of liquidy, which is really nice for dressing. So it's called Mighty Sesame Company. Okay, and again, Natural Grocers for that. Okay, and then we are going to add one of my favorite ingredients, date syrup. But this date syrup is not just any old date syrup. This one is a pomegranate date syrup. And I have talked about this before. I'm pretty sure I've showed it to you. The brand is Just Date. These are the same ladies who make my chocolate chips that I love so much that are sweetened with dates. But they have a line of regular date syrup, pomegranate date syrup, date sugar. Anyway, it's really yummy. Now, I buy this one online. I buy it from their website, but you can also get it from Amazon. And then we're going to add in some miso. So miso is kind of a little solid, and so it is going to take a bit of whisking to get this creamy because that's our goal. So we're going to put that in, and I'm just going to kind of squish it down here with my little spoon to try to break it down just a little bit. And then we're going to add some onion powder, some garlic powder, and a little bit of salt. Okay, here goes the spices. And don't worry, I will give you all the ingredients in the show notes below, and you can pop over to my website and get the full recipe. And then we're going to add another one of my favorite ingredients, and that is nutritional yeast. Now, I've written an article about nutritional yeast, and so I'll put a link to that article because it talks about what it is. But it is essentially B vitamins, and so it's super good for you. So now we've got all the ingredients together, and all we're going to do is whisk it up. You could do this in a blender, you could do this in a food processor, or you could just do it here with a whisk. So we're going to get everything whisked up nice and smooth. And the miso is giving me a little bit of a challenge here, so I am going to whisk it really good because I still see it's kind of clumpy. And who wants a clumpy salad dressing, right? We've got everything whisked together pretty good. It's nice and smooth. I finally got the miso broken up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in this Pyrex measuring cup because it will be easier for me to pour it into the jar that I want to store it in. And I'm just going to store it in the refrigerator until we are ready to use it. But this is going to be a fabulous salad dressing for this beautiful salad that we have here. And I'm serving it for dinner tonight with some of my spicy tomato soup. And so it should be really yummy. Now, why these ingredients? So you'll notice there is no oil in this. There is no buttermilk. There is no mayonnaise. This is a healthier salad dressing because we're using wholesome ingredients, like whole food ingredients, not a processed mayonnaise, not a processed oil. So this is the jar I'm going to use, and it's bigger than what I need, but I'm doing that intentionally because I want to be able to shake it up. So I put it in a jar that's a little bit bigger than what I need, and now I have lots of room for it to shake up. So it'll be delicious. Now I have set a little bit of salad aside here, and we're gonna take a taste of this just to see how it turned out. But it smells delicious, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna taste delicious too. And I don't think you're gonna need very much of this salad dressing. You know, you put whatever you like for your liking. I like just a little bit of salad dressing because I like to taste all the ingredients in the salad. Let's have a taste. Delicious. From the time it hits my tongue, I taste the cider vinegar, not overpowering, but it's there. I taste the Dijon mustard, get a little bit of the tahini, not too much. I get the sweetness from the date syrup. Wow. The spices are good. Everything about it is delicious. This is a really good recipe. You see how quick this came together. Super healthy ingredients, no oil, no mayonnaise, no buttermilk, and you have a creamy Dijon dressing. It is so good. It may just become your go-to. Before I forget, I want to let you know that down below there's a link, and if you're interested, you can subscribe on my website. And every week you will get a new recipe and a new blog article delivered right to your inbox. So we'd love to have you join the tribe over on noblealchemy.com. Again, I'll put the link below. Or if you want to just like and subscribe on this channel, it helps the channel grow and it helps more people get all these healthy recipes on a weekly basis. So whatever you do, I hope you'll join us. Thanks everybody. Bon appetit.